In the words of Stephen Bannon, mathematics is the most beautiful and most powerful creation of human spirit. Trigonometric ratios. Ratios of the sides of a right triangle with respect to its acute angles are called trigonometric ratios of those angles in the right triangle. First of all, let us name the sides of a right triangle with respect to acute angles in it. Here there is a right triangle. I am naming it as A, B, C. A right angle is at B. Right angle opposite side is the largest side among all the three sides in right triangle. That is called hypotenuse. Angle C opposite side is named as opposite side to measure of angle C. Angle C adjacent side can be named as adjacent side to angle C. With respect to A, also we can name these sides. Angle A opposite side is named as opposite side to angle A. Angle A adjacent side can be named as adjacent side to angle A. Here, trigonometric ratios. Ratios of the sides of a right triangle with respect to its acute angles are called trigonometric ratios of those angles in the right triangle. These ratios can be extended to other angles also. Let us observe trigonometric ratios of particular acute angle in a right angle triangle. Here there is a right angle triangle ABC. In this right angle triangle ABC, right angle is at B. Measure of angle A is theta. Then we can name these sides as angle B, right angle opposite side as hypotenuse, angle theta opposite side as opposite side to theta, angle theta adjacent side is adjacent side to theta. Then we can write trigonometric ratios like this. Sin theta can be written as opposite side to theta by hypotenuse. cos theta is adjacent side to theta by hypotenuse. Tan theta is defined as opposite side to theta by adjacent side to theta. Adjacent side to theta. Cosecant theta is defined as hypotenuse by opposite side to theta. Secant theta is defined as hypotenuse by adjacent side to theta. Finally, cot theta is defined as adjacent side to theta by opposite side to theta. Adjacent side to theta by according to these definitions, we can write sin theta equal to length of opposite side to theta, length of this side opposite side to theta by length of hypotenuse, that is BC by AC. Cos theta is adjacent side to theta by hypotenuse, that is AB by AC. Tan theta is opposite side to theta by adjacent side to theta, that is BC by AB. Cosecant theta is hypotenuse by opposite side to theta, that is AC by BC. Secant theta is hypotenuse by adjacent side to theta, that is AC by AB. Cot theta is adjacent side to theta by opposite side to theta, that is AB by BC. From these definitions, we can come to know that sin theta is BC by AC and cosecant theta is AC by BC. Cosecant theta is AC by BC is the reciprocal of BC by AC. So that we can write cosecant theta is the reciprocal of sin theta. Reciprocal of sin theta. Reciprocal of sin theta is cosecant theta. So we can write reciprocal of sin theta is cosecant theta. Reciprocal of cos theta is secant theta. AB by AC, AC by AB. BC by AB reciprocal is AB by BC. So that reciprocal of tan theta is cot theta. So we can write from this we can write 1 by sin theta is cosecant theta. 1 by sin theta is cosecant theta. 1 by cos theta is secant theta. One by tan theta is cot theta. One more. Here Yes, sin theta, if we transpose sin theta to the right side, sin theta into cosecant theta value 1. Sin theta into cosecant theta equal to 1. Sin theta into cosecant theta is equal to 1. Cos theta into secant theta is 1 is equal to 1. Cos theta into secant theta is equal to 1. If you transpose tan theta to the right, RHS tan theta into cot theta is equal to 1. Tan theta into cot theta is equal to 1. We can observe some more relations. Here, now I am dividing sin theta and cos theta. Sin theta by cos theta is equal to, here sin theta is BC by AC. BC by AC by AB by AC. AB by AC. BC by AC into, there is BC by AC into AB by AC reciprocal AC by AB. AC and AC get cancelled one time, so that BC by AB. BC by AB is nothing but tan theta. So sin theta by cos theta gives trigonometric ratio tan theta. So BC by sin theta by cos theta is tan theta. If we divide cos theta and sin theta, we get cos theta by sin theta. Sin theta by cos theta is tan theta. If you divide cos theta and sin theta, we get a result cos theta by sin theta is cot theta. And if we divide cos theta by sin theta, cos theta by sin theta is cos theta. Next, cosecant theta by secant theta is cot theta. Cosecant theta by secant theta is cot theta, and secant theta by cosecant theta gives tan theta. These are the observations we can get from this trigonometric ratios in a right triangle. Now I am going to give some trigonometric formulae, but we discuss those formulae limitations and proofs further. Trigonometry formulae. First of all, let us start with reciprocals. 1 by sin theta is cosecant theta. 1 by cos theta is secant theta. 1 by tan theta is cot theta. Cosecant theta can be written as 1 by sin theta. Secant theta can be written as 1 by cos theta. Cot theta can be written as 1 by tan theta. Next, division formula. Tan theta is we can write as sin theta by cos theta. Cot theta can be written as cos theta by sin theta. Sin theta by cos theta is tan theta. Cos theta by sin theta is cot theta. And there are three trigonometric identities. Those are sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Here sin square theta means sin theta into sin theta. Sin theta into sin theta can be written as sin theta whole square. That is nothing but sin square theta. Here, second trigonometric identity, secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Third trigonometric identity, cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. These three comes under trigonometric, main first three trigonometric identities. First trigonometric identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Second trigonometric identity, secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Third trigonometric identity, cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. Next, sin 2 theta. Sin 2 theta formula 2 sin theta cos theta. Sin 2 theta formula 2 sin theta cos theta. Next, cos 2 theta. Cos 2 theta formula cos square theta minus sin square theta. Cos 2 theta also can be written as 2 cos square theta minus 1. Cos 2 theta equal to 2 cos square theta minus 1. Cos 2 theta we can express only in sin theta also, in terms of sin theta. 1 cos 2 theta is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Sin 2 theta is 2 sin theta cos theta. Cos 2 theta is cos square theta minus sin square theta, or cos 2 theta is 2 cos square theta minus 1. Cos 2 theta is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Let us see some more formulae. Now on combo lines. Sin A plus B, where we are acute angles. Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Sin A plus B equal to sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Sin A minus B is equal to sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Sin A minus B, sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Next, cos A plus B. Cos A plus B is cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Cos A plus B is cos A into cos B minus sin A into sin B. Cos A minus B is equal to cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Cos A A minus B is equal to cos A into cos B plus sin A into sin B. Tan A plus B is equal to tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. Tan A plus B is equal to tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A into tan B. Next, tan A minus B is equal to tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A tan B. Tan A minus B is equal to tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A into tan B. Next, cot A plus B. Cos A plus B is equal to cot A cot B minus 1 by cot B plus cot A. Cot A plus B is equal to cot A into cot B minus 1 by cot B plus cot A. Next, cot A minus B. Cot A minus B is equal to cot A into cot B plus 1 by cot B minus cot A. Cot A minus B is equal to cot A into cot B plus 1 by cot B minus cot A. These are the formulae on compound angles. Next, on the other hand, let us see some more formulae. Here we can write tan 2 theta formula like this. Tan A plus B formula, tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. Tan 2 theta equal to 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta. Using this formula, we can get tan 2 theta equal to 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta. Sin 2 theta. Sin 2 theta equal to sin 2 theta in terms of tan. We can write as 2 tan theta by 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. Tan 2 theta is equal to tan 2 theta equal to 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta. Sin 2 theta is equal to 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. Cos 2 theta in terms of tan theta, 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. Next, sin theta, we can express in sin and cos as 2 sin theta by 2 and cos theta by 2. These formulae we are going to use in the concept trigonometry. These proofs and limitations we are going to know in further sessions.